Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm making french fries and beef hot dogs. My son cooked those. Look how good they look. And these the fries here. And these the hot dog buns. We got, once again, some Kroger's. Look at that. Yeah, I know I had to have that. And I thought I heard, hey, somebody did. So, I'm going to let these french fries go. So, hold on, you guys. Okay, my fries, you guys, are all ready to roll. They piping hot. And those are the hot dogs. Okay, you guys. And this is the condiments I'm using. I'm eating some coleslaw. And we have sweet relish, mustard, and we have some Heinz ketchup. Okay, you guys. So what I like to do now is warm my buns up like 10 seconds in the microwave so they can get a little bit more softer. And I will be back with the finished product. Okay, you guys, here you go. My coleslaw here. My hot fries. I got my ketchup on the side over here. And my hot dogs with my beef hot dogs with my relish and mustard and some onions. That's how I like my hot dogs, you guys. So I finna sit in here and I finna eat this while it's hot and enjoy my dinner. And I thank you guys for watching. Bye bye now.